Hello friends, welcome to this channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4. This channel is dedicated to discuss about various emerging technologies like cloud, artificial intelligence, big data, industrial internet of things, robotics, blockchain, chatbot, and many more. Our focus of this channel is to integrate and develop end-to-end digital supply chain management system. As you know, all these technologies are very helpful to migrate your legacy systems to the digital systems. The heart of all these systems is a sales and operation planning, which is most critical one. As we know, businesses are becoming very challenging. There is a lot of fluctuations in the market demand. So demand planning is very important. And all what you have to do is to build up your supply planning, your operation planning to support to that particular demand. So let's look at it the next slide. So I tried to show broadly into 6 blocks about the sales and operation planning. So summary has been shown over here. The first and most important thing, the stage 1 is the sales forecast reports. You have a particular products which have been distributed at a various geographic and various customers are buying it. You have a previous data, maybe last couple of weeks, couple of months, couple of years, and all that. And based on to that, continuously looking at it, the market conditions and all that, your marketing team will tell you what is the forecast, what is the requirement for the particular product for the next week, next month, and all that. So end of the period. So this is what is the starting point. So the next one is you have to take that details and do the demand planning. As I shown over there, the statistics of the data is really considered. Today, with emerging technologies, as I mentioned, artificial intelligence, machine learning, going to deep thinking and all that, the various tools are there, has been designed, developed to suit it to your specific product and then the market conditions and all that. And they continuously give you inputs about the demand planning. This demand planning is a starting what you can take it to work out the production planning. And that production planning is a part of your sales and operation planning, where you look at it, the market requirements on a week basis, on a month basis, on a quarter basis, on a year basis, and on a long term, maybe 2, 3, 5 years plan also. So your sales and operation plan can be a short-term plan to a long-term plan, where normally what we recommend is that you should have a confirmed plan for a short period and you have a tentative plan, what we call it is a rolling plan, which goes on evolving it depending upon the market feedback, what you get it and all that. Now this particular plan you take into consideration for your material requirement planning, which is a procurement plan, and also takes into consideration the manufacturing execution system, where you take into consideration the equipment, their capacity, the manpower, everything into available. So you take that into analysis, and then this also leads to your financial projections also. That is, the products which you are going to manufacture, what will be the sales value of that products? What is the value of production valuations and all that? Also calculates your material requirement and then the budget for material procurement. In case if you find that your plant is not having a sufficient capacity and you think about outsourcing it, then you have to budget that also. So this gives a finance department a budget system also, which is the most important thing. So just don't look at it the only manufacturing, but have to think about it as the next step to the integrated business planning also. Then comes the actual execution. That is the sales and operation planning. You will have a meeting and you will freeze it out that plan, not only just on a month basis, but will go on to the week basis, on a day basis, and even on a shift basis. And in a shift, you may have a various manufacturing sections which needs to be considered. So you go to that stage. So that is what is the thing. And based on to that, you finalize the plan and then you work out the recommendations to all those concerned people. And this is where the final sales and operation planning is done. So I wanted to show you what is the cycle and how you should really take into consideration the various factors, parameters to go on achieving this sales and operation line. It's a continuous process. Maybe you go on revising it depending upon your plant and all that. Could be on a week basis, could be on a month basis and all that. You have to take that into consideration. But the critical thing into digital supply chain management is a sales and operation plan. I hope you have understood it. If you have any doubts, queries, feel free to contact us. Our domain technology teams will definitely help you. Our contact details are shown over here. We also have a channel which has got 140 videos on to the different topics related to emerging technologies and domain challenges. Feel free to share with your colleagues. Thank you. Bye. Hello.